Let's see this question. 15 engineers can do a project in 9 hours. 15 engineers started the project at 9 a.m. but starting from 2 p.m. one engineer is leaving the project. At what time the project gets completed? So they are saying that in order to finish the project, the effort required is, if 15 engineers are working for 9 hours, then the project will get finished. Therefore, this is the total effort required. So 15 into 9 engineer hours, right? Now that is how the project can be done. Now they are saying that in another way, a group of 15 engineers are working this way. 15 engineers started the project at 9 a.m. If you assume that this is the timeline, at 9 a.m. 15 engineers started, and then they worked till, see this, at 9 a.m. but starting from 2 p.m. which means till 2 p.m. they all worked together. But then starting from 2 p.m. one engineer is leaving every hour. So which means here one engineer is leaving, which means from 2 to 3 only one engineer is working. 14 engineers are working because one engineer left. And again 3 to 4 only 13 engineers are working. Okay, let's say because 2 of them left. And again 4 to 5 12 engineers are working, and again 5 to 6 11 engineers are working, so on. If this is the case, they are asking us what time the project will get completed. Now you have to find out the total effort required. The total effort required is this, 15 into 9 is the total effort required, and then you have to see what is the effort given by the other group, and whenever their efforts are equal, the project gets completed, isn't it? So which means here 15 into 9 engineer hours should be equal to 15 into, from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. the effort given is 15 into 5 plus after that 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, so on. Got it? So this is how you are supposed to solve it. And now we don't know what this number is going to be, right? So this number should be equal to the difference between these two. So which means if you find out the difference between these two, it is going to be 15 into 9 minus 15 into 5, which is 15 into 4, which means 60 engineer hours. So this entire sequence, you have to see that this entire sequence is going to be equal to 60 engineer hours. Are you getting this? See, there is some effort given here, and this is the total effort required. Now I am finding out the difference. Now the remaining difference has to be given by this sequence, right? Now you have to add them all up and see that the sum is equal to 60. So you have to add them all. So 14 plus 13 is equal to 27, right? And 27 plus 12 is equal to 39, and 39 plus 11 is equal to 50, and 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. Therefore if I go till this point, right, and if you add it up, 60 plus this is going to be this. So you have to go till this point. Got it? So which means by 7 p.m. the project will get completed. Are you getting this? So how will it get completed? Because from here to here the total effort given is 15 into 5 engineer hours, because there are 5 hours here and 15 are working, and from and in this point 14 engineer hours, 13, 12, 11, 10. If you add them all up, it is going to be the total effort required. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.